Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shorty. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified whenever I post. So today I'm just gonna bring you guys along. I'll be vlogging nowadays, so yeah, it's just gonna be a regular vlog. I don't know what we have planned for today. My man is off, but I believe he works tomorrow, so I don't know. We're probably gonna just take it light. So yeah, I'm about to go a little mini grocery shopping right now, so I'll see you guys over there. Bye. Okay y'all, this Aldi's is like super packed, so I'm gonna do this quick because I got 10 minutes. Let me hurry up. Crazy. Reusable bags, you can never go wrong. Shout out to my sister for these reusable bags. I am back home. Chaos at Aldi's. Anyways, I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery haul. I got some yogurt for Miss Dariella. Some of these. Oops. You're gonna go shower? Oh, okay. Yeah. And then some banana bread. And let me go. Oh. I got some regular bread. I got some cheesies. These potato chips. Oh, making a mess. I got some hash browns. These are fire. And then I got some corn dogs. Damn, these are melted. It's like hot. It's like really like humid. It rained yesterday all day and it stopped in the afternoon, and it's like really like yucky. So yeah, it's not the weather to be outside. Okay, I got some eggs, I got some sausages, some bacon, some corn, some more corn. I got some black beans, butter. Comes the veggie, fruit vibes. I got some bananas. I got some cucumber. We haven't had cucumber in a while, so I'm excited for cucumber. Some spinach. We got some broccoli. I got some romaine tomatoes, some lettuce. We got some grapes. These strawberries were a deal. I got some strawberries for my girl and some cheese sticks, and that's pretty much it. Okay, this inflation, it's very much like killing me because whoa, these prices are up. Like, how are you supposed to buy groceries, and healthy groceries too? Like for real, I'm gonna start meal prepping or meal planning too for my weeks, because I know that's gonna help me save a lot of money on groceries and not waste a lot of groceries. You know what I mean? Like fruit to waste. So yeah, I'm like, what's up with this? Price is going up. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, people is trying to eat here, you know? But it's crazy though, because like I said, everything is super expensive. Like, dang, for real. Anyways, I stopped at Starbucks and I left my coffee in the car because I'm like, I'm gonna make this grocery shopping quick. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a mini one. Yeah, no, I'm over here going through every single aisle. Like, girl, it's still good though, so I'm gonna drink it. So yeah, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and all these groceries, it wasn't that bad. Like, I was like, I'm in a budget, baby. Like, I'm trying to like stay on a budget. Good. But anyways, we haven't been grocery shopping since like last week, so we were like short on fruit. I keep saying fruit. So yeah, on all this grocery, I spent 66. Not bad. Not bad. We're on a budget. 66.75. Yeah, I was definitely. Oh, I forgot.
So what do you expect to happen next in this case? I would assume that any attorney representing
Barbecue ribs.
asking for something.
I also got barbecue ribs. I got 2 of these because they were on sale. So what happened? Oh, they were on sale, so I'm like, let me take advantage. We're gonna have barbecue today. Okay, I am currently making breakfast. Miss Dariella's gonna have some sausage and some egg with some spinach. We got this here cooking it up. We got this little stir here. I just want them to get nice and soft, because Miss Dariella picky. So we got the sausage cooking over here. So yeah, before I add the egg, I am gonna let this get soft, nice and soft, because yeah, Miss Dariella, she be too much. Like, she be like, I don't like this. Okay, Miss Dari got her breakfast going on. Loving it with her water. She had a little yogurt, but and I'm doing some beans, eggs, and sausages. Yes, I am in the mood for beans for breakfast. Okay, don't judge me. Hey, that's what I want to eat. I want to fart all day. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna eat breakfast, then we're gonna clean a little because I got dishes to wash. Okay, I'm gonna wash them dishes because I don't want to leave them just for them to sit there all day. I want to like have a clean kitchen because we're having a good day. But yeah, so all I gotta do is just clean, wash the dishes, and I was gonna clean my. Why is this TV so loud? So I was gonna clean my fridge, but I kind of wanna get ready and edit some of my videos, because when I tell you I don't got no damn memory because I got so many footage, yeah, so I need to edit some videos. That's what I want to do. I know I have time, so I want to do that. But yeah, so I'm gonna just eat real quick and just do the mommy duties, you know what I'm saying? And I kind of want to go to the pool, so that's why I'm like, let me get ready. My man went to do some errands right now, but I want to get ready, so maybe we'll hit the pools. And yeah, that's what I want to do. It's lunchtime. What are you eating, Dari? What are you eating? What are you eating? Huh? That mean all over the place.
I called him over there.
A little nacho moment. So you don't have to like call him or nothing.
No.
Eso pica, mami.
Hot, hot.
Down in the kitchen, he's gonna make some barbecue ribs. Barbecue ribs. I want to show you. It's not hot. This is the before, and I'll hit you guys up when it's halfway cooked. But anyways, he's sussing it up. We'll give you guys a little update with my man, you know what I'm saying? Maybe he'll share his recipe. Maybe who knows, you know? It's becoming a tradition that he's cooking barbecue ribs. And I'll just stay behind with the sides. Actually, babe, if you want mash, I gotta go get some yes. We're having a little pool date. On the way to the pool to jump in the pool, so we'll be back. Or I wanna get her. Hey y'all, I am back fresh out the shower because we went to the pools. Anyways, I came to Amazon real quick. Hey, I came to Amazon to get heavy whipped cream because I am making mashed potatoes. So my camera's about to die. Wait. I'm over here buying the whole store, and I didn't bring a car. But anyways, I'll keep you guys updated because my camera's about to die. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Ooh, nice and crisp, nice and crisp.
You can see the bone. So still just a little few more. Tenderize it.
We got the mash going on. We're gonna get the corn going on. Maybe a little broccoli. We don't know yet, but yeah, that's what we got going on. I'll be right back because I'm charging my camera.
Here.
Right here. You color over here. Take it. Mommy's turn. Your name, or should we write the numbers? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn. Your turn. Right here. Right here. There you go. Keep doing it. I don't see enough. I don't see enough numbers. Anyways, we ate so good. I was so full. It was so good. My man snapped on them ribs. Okay, I'm like, God, you gotta start cooking a little bit more often because he got some skills. Okay. And then I started doing laundry a little bit, and I'm currently editing right now. Once I'm done uploading this video, I am gonna get ready for bed. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna just close my video here. If I do vlog a little bit more, it's just gonna be my little night routine. But if I don't, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified whenever I post. And see you guys in my next video. Like I said, I'm gonna be vlogging my days more often, so you guys are gonna see me more often, and I'm very much excited. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.